Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 24th. Let's look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research, make your own decisions. So, another great day for Tesla. So Tesla went up $23.25. That's 3.54%. We closed at 679.82. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So I see some strength in Tesla. Yesterday I mentioned that we have this resistance, this big, huge resistance that has been in play for a long time. This one right here, this one right here. So this resistance, so Tesla could have caved in under it and then went back to 624, that was a possibility. But no, Tesla went pretty high. So we had a high today of 697. We were at 624 2 days ago. So we went up to 697. That's super high. And if you look at the wick that we have here, so basically the stock went and almost touched this resistance here. So I'm going to put this back into red. This is now a support. It used to be a resistance at 624. And this one here, this big resistance now seems to be turning into support. And yes, so basically this is where the stock during the day, let me just draw this again. So the wick that we had today was right here. So this resistance has been there for a long time, a very long time. And basically that's the main support that Tesla has been riding for over a year. So that main support has been used as a resistance right now. So the stock went up to that resistance, almost 700, and now is sitting, the body of the candle is sitting on the now support. So basically Tesla is quite strong to have done something like that. Let's go to the 1 hour chart to see if we cannot understand something in more details. So basically this is 9:30. So at 9:30 we gapped up. So we have a gap here. So this is an indication that there is really strength in the stock. So we gapped above the resistance that has now turned support. We opened at almost 675, went up to almost 700, and now we came back to this level. In terms, let's look at the indicators on the hour chart. So we see a little bit of weakness in the stochastic. So maybe the stock is going to take a little pause a little bit because it's kind of overextended with the gap up. So based on the stochastic, I think the stock will take a breather here. But this is great, anything above this support that was resistance is a show of strength. So we cannot complain. Let's just accept the big jump that we had today. Let's just let the stock cool down a little bit, but stay above that support, and all else is going to be fine. Looking at the indicators on the daily chart to see what happens next. So stochastic is at 85. That's interesting. So yesterday we were at 99. The day before we were at 81. Now we are at 95. That's fine. MACD, still the orange line remaining to cross into the positive territory, but look at the DMI. Look at the DMI. Look at the distance between the green line and red line. Huge distance. So this confirms that Tesla is really having a strong move. So what else can I say about this? So we seem to be entering this new channel. So we have a new channel that well, we have had for, well, technically we were not exactly in that channel, but this is the support of the channel and this is the resistance of the channel. So anything between these two lines is fair game. Of course, we would like it if Tesla remains above this, but it's perfectly legitimate if you are a short-term trader to take some profit here if you have been long somewhere in there, because what can happen is that we can cool down along this. So let's hope that this is what is going to happen before we continue again. So basically, this is where these are the two lines between which I'm having a hard time with this, thank you, and this. So the two lines between which Tesla is in are, come on, sorry about this, I'm gonna draw this, boom, and I'm gonna draw this, boom, bingo. So this is the channel now. Anything between those two lines is fair game. But very happy with what happened today, and I'm just so happy that we had the patience to wait here, and the stock was really accumulating under 624. This was a good call. The stock was really accumulating, and the volatility was getting smaller and smaller. Here we had a big move, smaller move, smaller move, smaller move, smaller move, and then boom, we have this. So picture perfect. We are so happy. So I hope that you like my videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I read all of your comments. Thank you for liking and clicking the bell. We have a Patreon account, and we have a Discord server, and we also have a TradingView affiliate link if you are interested in that. It is a holiday for me in Quebec, but I still did this video, so I'm gonna go back to my holiday. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm gonna tell you à la prochaine et bonne Saint-Jean-Baptiste.